Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Atla Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about the Bitcoin-friendly Javier Milei wins Argentina presidential election. The second thing I would like to talk about is that Fidelity joins BlackRock in a race for Ethereum ETF, and then we have now Bitcoin fees skyrocketing because of the Spot Bitcoin ETF hype. So guys, all this in today's video, and don't forget, every single day I'm bringing you fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain related videos here on Blockchain Bloom, short videos, longer videos to keep you up to date. So if that's important for you, then definitely subscribe to the channel, hit the like button if you like this kind of content what I'm creating, and now let's do it. Okay, first when we're looking at the price, we can see that Bitcoin is actually up 1.8% in the last 24 hours. That makes Bitcoin $37,150 while Ethereum is 2021 $3.6% up. When we're looking at the top gainers, Synthetics up 17%, Near Protocol 16%, Fetch AI 16% as well. These are the top three winners today so far. In the top 100, among the losers is Celestia down 5.4, but it went up quite nicely recently. Caspa also went up quite nicely. Now just a small recovery, 3.7. FTX token, crazy, is down 2.3%. So yeah, this is how it looks like. When we're looking at the Bitcoin candlestick chart, we can see that we were, yesterday kind of rejected by this 37,400-ish level, as we had been already a couple of times. And now, today also we're coming down here. So anyway, right now we're waiting, but maybe it could be, anytime if something happening, breakout can happen. Yesterday's news was, and of course, correction as well, right? Because recently we're going up quite well. We had some correction here, but we went up very, very nicely. So if there would be a bigger correction all the way up to 30, down to 35,000 or even to 32,000, then we're still looking bullish, right? Because higher highs, higher lows in this year so far, but you never know, we might can continue because, for example, these news came out that Bitcoin friendly Javier Milei wins Argentina presidential election, and this was definitely positive things for Bitcoin. So let's talk about that first. Always, if any country, the leader who becomes the leader is Bitcoin friendly, is definitely a plus, a bonus for Bitcoin. And now recently, just yesterday, Javier Milei wins the Argentina presidential election with 55% of the votes, basically. And, he has been vocal about his criticism towards the country's central bank, referring to it as a scam and the mechanism by which politicians cheat the good people with inflationary tax. Also, he has referred to Bitcoin as a movement toward the return of money to its original creator, the private sector. And yeah, so all these things looking quite good for Bitcoin, because we already have El Salvador where we have Bitcoin as a legal tender. By the way, he has not, Javier, signaled any intention to make Bitcoin legal tender in the country, but anyway, he looks like he's for Bitcoin. Sometimes he looks a bit crazy to me. Look at this celebration here. Yeah, that's him. He has for sure a lot of energy. Well, what are you gonna do, about all these promises? We're going to see it. So first, this was the election. People trusted him and said, okay, let's vote for this guy. So right now it looks like he won the election. And yeah, what he's doing about this whole central bank issue, saying that this is a scam, what he's going to do about Bitcoin, making it maybe legal tender, who knows? But the thing is that here's another leader which is not against but for Bitcoin. And I think we have more and more of these better is for Bitcoin. Okay, the second thing I would like to talk about is it's all about that Fidelity joins BlackRock in the race for Ethereum ETF. Recently, in my video, I did talk about, the BlackRock Spot Ethereum ETF application. And guess what? Just like last time when BlackRock did it, some others follow. Another big guy, Fidelity, joins this game and the race for Ethereum ETF. And this actually, it happened just a day after BlackRock submitted its own Ethereum ETF application. So as always, now we have the two top cryptocurrencies by market cap, Bitcoin and ETF. Bitcoin and Ethereum. Man, ETF and Ethereum is just so similar, But anyway, so now they both are in the game for a spot ETF. And we're going to see how this is going to play out. Definitely first comes first. This is all about Bitcoin. And many people say that before the 10th of January, that may come through. Well, we're going to see it. Definitely, there is a hype around it. That's not a question. And then the next hype, which is crypto related, could be towards Ethereum Spot ETF. And now the big guys have all started with their applications, and probably more are coming. Okay, and because of this hype, Bitcoin transaction fees are skyrocketing. Okay, and because, if something gets hot, like now Bitcoin, because of this spot Bitcoin ETF hype, then a lot of transactions going to happen. And because of this, a lot of transactions on the Bitcoin blockchain going to increase and has already increased the Bitcoin transaction fee. As you can see here, on the 16th of November, the Bitcoin transaction fee has reached 11.6 million US dollar on the Bitcoin blockchain. And the average transaction fee was up 746% from a year ago. So, well, we do know that's like the bottom of the bear market kind of thing, what we had about a year ago, but still it's a significant increase, with the average transaction fee is now 18, bit more than $18, put it this way. Anyway, if we looking at here, this is the Bitcoin average transaction fee historical chart, and when we go all the way back here, for example, to what's that, April 2021, we could see that how high it was here, 62 US dollar per transaction. And then we had another one here this year in spring, when it went all the way up to 31, and now we had here about 18. But right now it's around $10. So it did come back a little bit, but it's still much higher, as you can see, as it has been recently during the bear market. But anyway, this is normal. When there's a hype around Bitcoin, there are always more transactions happening, and if that's happening, then the transaction fee going to increase. As always, because there's a competition to get your transaction in the block, and there's a queue. So basically, they always increase the limit because they bet basically, okay, I would like to get my transaction in, I pay more. Then the other guy comes, I pay more, and so on and so forth. And there is a block limit, obviously, in Bitcoin, and that makes transaction fee then higher and higher. Right, guys, don't forget, every single day I'm making you fresh crypto and blockchain related videos here on Blockchain Bloom. Short videos, longer videos. So if you would like to keep yourself up to date, then definitely subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you like this kind of content what I'm creating, then hit the like button, and see you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye-bye.